Hi kids, hello बच्चों. This is a heart. This is a triangle. This is a square. This is a circle. This is a star. And this is a hexagon. Red color. The heart is of red color. Such a pretty heart. Yellow color. The triangle is of yellow color. A triangle has 3 sides. Orange color. The square is of orange color. A square has 4 equal sides. Have a look around you and see what all things are in the shape of a square. Blue color. The circle is of blue color. A circle has no sides. Again, look around you and see what all things are in the shape of a circle. Green color. The star is of green color. The star shines bright up in the sky. And pink color. The hexagon is of pink color. A hexagon has 6 equal sides. Let's revise. चलो फिर से करते हैं. Heart, red color. Triangle, yellow color. Square, orange color. Circle, blue color. Star, green color. And hexagon, pink color. Simple. चलो कल मिलते हैं. Bye bye.